Creating and managing contracts in Deel is easier than you might think. Whether you're hiring contractors, freelancers, or managing a remote team, Deel's platform streamlines the entire process. In this video, we'll walk you through how to create and manage contracts in Deel and how you can make the most out of this powerful tool to simplify your workflow. Stick around until the end because I'll also share an exclusive bonus that'll let you try Deel for free. First, let's start with creating a contract. When you sign into Deel, go to the Contracts section on the dashboard. Here, you'll find an option to create a new contract. Deel allows you to set up contracts for a variety of worker types, including full-time employees, contractors, or freelancers. Simply select the type of contract you need, and Deel will guide you through the process. Now, you'll be asked to choose a template for the contract. Deel offers pre-built templates, which saves you a ton of time. These templates are fully customizable, so you can tailor them to fit the specifics of your project, including work duration, payment terms, and any legal requirements based on the location of the worker. After you pick a template, Deel will autofill sections where it can, like compensation or payment schedules, depending on the worker's country and role. One of Deel's most powerful features is its ability to automatically calculate tax deductions and ensure compliance with local labor laws. This is a game changer for businesses working with international teams, as you no longer have to worry about staying updated on complex regulations in different countries. Once your contract is ready, you can send it directly to the worker for signing. Deel supports both digital signatures and electronic signing, making the process completely paperless. Your contractor will receive an email with the contract, and once they sign, you'll be notified. It's fast, efficient, and keeps everything in one place. Managing contracts is just as straightforward. From the Contracts dashboard, you can view all your active contracts, including details like the contract status, payment schedules, and important dates. If you need to make any changes to a contract after it's been signed, Deel allows you to send an amendment or an updated version to your contractor. Everything is tracked and organized, which reduces the chances of mistakes or missed deadlines. Deel also offers a great feature for managing payments. You can set up automatic payments according to the contract terms, and Deel ensures that contractors are paid on time, no matter where they are. With Deel, you also get access to currency exchange at competitive rates, making international payments a breeze. For employers, Deel gives you the ability to track the status of contracts, view payment history, and ensure compliance with tax laws. This means you can rest easy knowing that everything is taken care of in a seamless, transparent way. Another great feature to mention is the mobile app. Deel's mobile app gives you the flexibility to manage contracts, review documents, and even approve payments on the go. If you're a digital nomad or constantly on the move, this makes Deel a perfect solution for managing remote work. So whether you're just starting out and looking to create and manage contracts in Deel, or you're already using it and want to optimize your workflow, Deel is an incredibly intuitive tool. Don't forget, you can use Deel for free by clicking the first link in the description below, and you'll even get exclusive bonuses that make this a no-brainer. Remember, Deel offers a fully functional free trial, so there's no risk in giving it a try. If you're looking for an easy way to create and manage contracts, Deel is the way to go. Make sure to check out the link below to get started with Deel today.